I'm Grace Stanton. I've worked here since 2019, so since the year that the company was founded. I manage our sales operations teams and our content teams. So across sales operations, that includes our specialist, agency and B2B sales. And on the content side, it's our static, motion and dynamic creatives as well. Alight Media is a leading out-of-home media owner and a place-based media company. Alight Media is the UK's #1 digital billboard network for audience reach. We have coverage spanning across more than 190 towns in the UK. 33 million people see an Alight screen every month, which is nearly half of the UK's population. So Alight Media mainly work with a few types of different screens. So we have our D48 screens, which are our big digital units. We also have our D6s that are the smaller digital units, and we also work with bus shelters and freestanding units as well. Some of those are digital and some of those are also paper. In addition to our digital screens and our paper units, we also have a partnership with Stonegate and work with their mixer estate and manage all of the advertisements on those. Stonegate are the biggest UK landlord for pubs, and we manage all of their advertising across their digital screens in situ. When we entered the UK market, so there's approximately 4 big competitors of ours, and a lot of their screens are based in the major towns and cities across the UK, particularly places like London, Manchester, Birmingham, etc. What we wanted to do was be a little bit different and expand into the areas of the UK that either didn't have any digital billboards or had very few. What really made Zoho stand out to us was the potential for customization. Working in the digital out-of-home industry, there's a lot of intricacies that don't necessarily replicate themselves elsewhere. So we knew we needed that ability to change something and shape it to our business. A lot of other systems offered out-of-the-box solutions without much room for movement, and we knew that with Zoho there was the potential to create something really custom and unique to Alight Media. Zoho Creator is a low-code app creator, which allows us to create custom apps very, very easily. So we use Zoho Creator for our specs. So we've created a specs application, which gives us all of the information about our billboards in a format that is not only something that we can use internally, but it's also the right format to send externally to our clients as well. So it's a really, really useful app for people to easily access any information they need about a site, including any restrictions, who the landlord is, what can and can't play on that screen, anything to do with the size of the screen, the specs. You can export it from there and send it straight off to a client. We've integrated the Specs Creator application with our website. This allows our customers to easily be able to search for our sites and see them in situ. So you can, basically it overlaps with Google Maps, and it allows people to type in a postcode or any other detail that they want on that panel. So the town, the area, anything like that. And it will pop up with what we have either in that area, or they can zoom in to a specific screen level. It's also color coded by what type of screen that it's come up with as well. It's mostly used when we get inbound queries asking us like where we have screens. We'll point them towards the website, and then they can go through the website and then really, really easily see if we cover anything in their area. So our Specs Creator app is updated from CRM information. So that's happening in live time. When we get new billboards, it will come through the CRM, push through to the app, and then that app will push it through to our website. That means that our customers can see what's available at any point in time, and whenever we have new screens go live, they'll also be able to see those pop up as new sites. I would definitely recommend Zoho for any business that's looking to do something a bit more customized. We have used the customization to its full extent, and it's been really great for us to set ourselves apart from other businesses in the way that we operate. Zoho offers a lot more flexibility than a lot of other platforms that do similar things offer. So definitely, if you're working in an industry where you have very specific ways in which your company operates or very specific needs from your clients, you'll be able to do that with Zoho.